Imagine waking up to find your entire life savings dumped into highly volatile Trump-branded stocks. That is exactly why this client fired his advisor on the spot. Your retirement is now a political gamble. Now, the Center for Economic and Policy Research is sounding the alarm. They're warning advisors to avoid Trump-linked accounts. Experts say extreme volatility and political risk could destroy client savings overnight. Fiduciaries owe you a legal duty to maximize your returns. Period. But look here. Your advisor is betraying that trust, funding political agendas while your own life savings drain away. Look at those charts plunge. One pen stroke in Washington and billions vanish. When you back politicians, you play with fire. A single policy shift will wipe you out in seconds. Look at these charts. Noise fades, but steady wealth remains. Diversified portfolios protect your hard-earned assets from political chaos. Do not chase the hype. Trust quiet, boring growth to guard your future. Inside the quiet office, the tension exploded. He demanded answers about the sudden market crash, but his advisor sat frozen. No excuses could justify the political gamble that just wiped out his entire life savings. Sell it all now? The client panicked. The advisor hit execute, watching the Trump portfolio collapse. Millions wiped out in seconds, locking in massive, irreversible losses. The damage was done. He walked out without saying a single word. Decades of hard work, completely wiped out. That is the brutal price of mixing politics with your retirement portfolio. Some lessons cost everything you own. The silence in the room is deafening. He stares at the empty chair, his client's ghost still lingering. On the screen, the news anchor delivers the fatal blow. The crackdown is real. They are completely ruined. Regulators just pounced. The firm broke trust, and now the phones are melting. Terrified clients are screaming for audits, desperate to know if their life savings just vanished. The panic is real. Behind closed doors, the partners are panicking. The firm is drowning in lawsuits, and their top advisor just lost his license. Everything they built is crumbling. How will they survive this legal nightmare? Look at this empty office. One bad decision, and 30 years of trust vanish into a cardboard box. The firm is dead, his career is over, and there is absolutely no coming back from this. Now, ruined clients flood the internet with warnings. They lost everything. Check your portfolio immediately. Do not let their political bias destroy your savings next. Look at the facts before it is too late. Watchdogs just blew the whistle nationwide, exposing corrupt advisors who drained your savings. Now, furious investors are demanding a massive shift. They want out of the trap and into safe, diversified index funds immediately. Here is your checklist to audit your advisor. The choice is yours. Will you take control of your portfolio today, or will you let political bias risk your entire financial future?